So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate Grok spicy mode. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your Grok app or navigate to the Grok website. Look at the top left corner and tap directly on your profile picture to open up the main menu. From that drop down, tap Settings. Scroll down until you find the tab labeled Content Preferences. Now, once you are inside the Content Preferences, you will see a master switch that says Display Not Safe for Work Content. By default, this is completely turned off for every single account. Just go ahead and toggle that switch to On position. But wait, we aren't done yet. Just flipping the switch won't let you generate spicy images, it only lets you view them. Now, here is the bonus step that everyone misses. Now that the first switch is on, a secret menu just unlocked. Go back to your main settings page and look for a new tab called Imagine Settings. Open that up and you will see a brand new toggle labeled Allow Sensitive Media Generation. Flip that to On and Grok's image generator is now fully uncensored. You have the most powerful unfiltered AI in your pocket. If this quick tech guide helped you out, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.